Today's our topic is common posture deformities. So first of the meaning of the common posture deformities. Okay, common posture means generally it is related to our body posture. If any deformity is going on or any deformity is related to our body posture, it is called common body posture. Okay, so various type of posture deformities are below, like spinal curvature, second one is flat foot, third one is knock knee, fourth one is bow legs, and fifth one is round shoulder. Okay, so today we are taking first flat foot. Now first flat foot deformities. First question, what do you mean by flat foot, or what is the flat foot deformities? Explain in brief. So first point is a condition in which the foot has an arch that is lower than usual. Okay, or we can say that children with flat feet feel pain in feet. Point number 3 is person with flat feet cannot walk long distance or cannot run or walk a big pace, means they will not run fast. Okay, and last point number 4 is what is the cause of flat foot? The causes by weak muscles, rapid increasing in weight, and improper shoes. So these are three causes of flat foot. First one is weak muscles, second one is rapid increase in weight, and third one is improper shoes. So that meaning is clear. If there is a no proper arch in footprint on the foot or feet, that deformity is called flat foot. Now see the picture. There one is a normal arch. Okay, there is a normal arch, and first picture there is a flat arch. So if there is a no proper arch or there is a no normal arch in a footprint of the floor, or it is called deformity of flat foot. Like this, we can say what is the cause of flat foot. The main cause of flat foot is weak muscles. Weak muscles of the foot cannot bear the body weight, hence the foot become flat or without arch. Along with his rapid increasing the body weight, improper shoes, and carry heavy weight of a proper long time is the cause of flat foot. Okay, so these are the causes of flat foot. And what is the main meaning of flat foot? If there is a no proper arch in a leg or normal arch in a leg, it is called flat foot. Now second deformity is related to knee. It is called knock knees. So knock knees, first point is in this deformity both the knees both the knees touch each the other in normal standing position. Okay, see the picture number 1, it is called a knock knees. Okay, if both the knees knock or touch each other, it is called knock knees. Second one is the gap between ankle goes on increase. Second important point is the gap between ankle, it will be increase. And point number 3, individual facing difficulty in walking and running. He or individual cannot run properly and he cannot walk properly. Maybe he feel or maybe individual face difficulty in walking and running. Point number 3 is causes. The main cause of knock knees, like balanced diet, especially vitamin D, calcium, phosphorus. Okay, so these are the common causes why knock knees happen. So main cause is lack of balanced diet, especially vitamin D, calcium, phosphorus is the main cause of knock knees. Okay, now next deformity is related to legs. It is called bow leg. Okay, bow leg is also a postural deformities. Clear? It is called bow legs. Okay, now point number 1 is lower leg bones of the legs get bent. Okay, lower long bones of the leg get bent. Number 2 is wide gap between the knees. Okay, First is knock knees. There will be lot of gap between ankles, and here bow leg there will be lot of gap between knees. Point number 3 is can be observed when a person walk or run. We can easily walk that person might got bow leg deformities, because if between the knees gap increase, it is called bow leg, and between ankle gap increase, it is called knock knees. Point number 4 is main causes of bow legs. Main causes of bow legs: same, calcium and phosphorus in bones, obesity, deficiency of vitamin D, improper way of walk. So these are the common causes of bow legs. The main cause of bow leg is deficiency of calcium and phosphorus in bones. Long bones of the legs become soft, hence they are bending outward. The chance of bow legs also increase when children become overweight. This deformity may be due to the deficiency of vitamin D, improper walking, and especially it happen newborn baby. Clear? Next deformity is related to our shoulder. It is called round shoulder. Point number 1 is shoulder become round and sometime they seems to be bent towards. See picture number 1 and picture number 2. Okay, in picture number 2 that round shoulder become and sometime they seems to bend forward. Okay, second one is alignment of the ears is related to the shoulder in not proper. Third point is acute. The main cause of this round shoulder is due to shortening of chest muscles, causes of wearing very tight clothes, sitting on improper furniture, lack of proper exercises, especially of shoulder exercise, like picture number 1 and picture number 2. Okay, so these are the main causes of round shoulder. Okay, I some more points causes of round shoulder, like round shoulder may be due to heredity. Next cause is sitting, standing and walking in bending position may be result of round shoulder. Wearing very tight clothes can be lead to round shoulder. Next is sitting on improper furniture can be cause of round shoulder. Lack of proper exercises, especially shoulder exercises, may be cause of round shoulder. And next is become, that point number 1 is shoulder become round and sometimes they seems to bend forward. Okay, because the press of chest exercises and improper exercises. So these are the main causes of round shoulder. Clear? So in our course there are total 5 posture deformities. First one is spinal curvature, second one is flat foot, third one is knock knees, fourth one is bow legs, and fifth one is round shoulder. Next topic we will take spinal curvature. Okay, thank you.